Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Mindful Convo. Don't forget to subscribe the channel so that you will be notified for the new videos. So today in this video, I will be discussing about the cost structure, the ACCA cost structure, because students have so many doubts that what is the total cost. Obviously before starting any course, you will be analyzing the cost structure, that what will be the total cost. Now in this video I will be discussing about each and every cost which is mandatory to be paid to ACCA Institute. So here there are 6 categories of cost, and I have tried to frame this video on the recent data of September 2020 and December 2020 attempt. So in case you are planning to give exams for some future attempts, then also you can easily refer this video because there is not that much fluctuation in the amount. So there are registration and subscription fees, exemption fees, exam fees, professional ethics module fees, affiliate fees, and membership fees. So let's discuss about each and every cost in more detail. The first category is registration and subscription fees. So there is an initial registration fees of £79. So it is a one-time fee that students must pay when registering with ACCA. Then there is a re-registration fees of £79. This is paid only when ACCA students fail to pay fees when due. So if your subscription fees is due and you fail to pay it, the name from ACCA register will be removed. Now to regain it, you have to pay the re-registration fees. So it is also £79. Then annual subscription fees. So it is £112. So annual subscription fees is due each year so that the status of student can be kept active. Then our next category is exemption fees. So I have also made a video regarding exemption which are gained in ACCA, so you can refer that video. It includes that which exemption is applied for each and every category. So here I will be discussing about that fees. So exemption could be for knowledge exam level and skill level, but it could not be for the professional level because it is not exempt for anyone. Everyone is required to attempt the professional level exams. So for knowledge exams it is £80 and applied skills exam it is £106. So these are the levels. There are 3 levels in ACCA. The first is applied knowledge exam, second is applied skills exam, and third is professional level, strategic professional level. So if in starting of 2 levels you are getting your any exam exempted, then you can claim that exempted exam by paying £80 for applied knowledge exam and £106 for applied skills exams. After that we will be discussing the exam fees paid for each and every level. So there will be 3 timelines: early, standard, and late. Generally early and standard doesn't have that much fluctuation of price. It is hardly 5 to 6 pound difference, and late fees is just double. So here at applied skills level, and it is also known as F level exams also. So it contains of 6 subjects. I have mentioned the name of those subjects as well, where it is corporate and business law, performance management, taxation, financial reporting, audit and insurance, and financial management exam. So for these, the early exam fees for September 2020 attempt will be £106. Standard it will be £111, and late it will be £285. Similarly for December 2020 attempt, it is 114 for early, £120 for standard, and £308 for late. So let's say if corporate and business law is exempt and you have to attempt all the 5 exams, and you will be paying for all those 5 exams with the amount mentioned in this slide. And for corporate and business law, because you are not attempting this exam, you have already exempted it, so to claim the exemption you will be paying just exemption fees, not exam fees, which I have mentioned in the previous slide. Now moving on further, the exam fees for strategic professional level. So in professional level there are 2 categories. There are total 6 exams where 2 exams are essential and other 4 exams out of which 2 are optional. So we will go line wise here. Firstly, we will discuss about essentials. So there are 2 essential exams. Firstly, it is strategic business leader exam. You have no option for this exam. You have to attempt it for sure. So here the fees for strategic business leader exam is highest as compared to other exams in professional level. So here the early fees for September 2020 attempt is £185, standard it's £196, and late it is £316. And for December 2020 attempt it's £206 for early. For standard it's £219, for late it's £352. Now we will be discussing here about next essential exam, which is strategic business reporting. So this exam is also mandatory. There is no option to skip this exam. So here the September 2020 attempt early fees will be £133, standard will be £140, late will be £316. Then for December 2020 attempt early will be £148, standard will be £156, and late will be £352. Now we'll discuss about the option exams in the strategic professional level only. So I have mentioned the 4 subjects here. You have to opt for 2 subjects, and for all the 4 subjects fee structure is same. So for advanced financial management exam, advanced performance management exam, advanced taxation, and advanced auditing and assurance exam, the fee structure will be for early entry. For September 2020 attempt it will be £133, for standard entry it will be £140, and for late entry it will be £316. And for December 2020 attempt, for early entry it's £148, standard it's £156, and for late it's £352. Then moving on further, it's ethics and professional skills module fees. So this is a module which is mandatory to be done by each and every student. So you have to do this module online on ACCA website. So it is of £69. So this is a mandatory module in mandatory cost. Then the affiliates subscription fees. So if you have cleared all your ACCA exams but you have not fulfilled all the criteria for the membership, then you will be called an affiliate and you have to pay the subscription fees of £129. So this is payable for up to 3 years after you gain affiliate status. Then other cost will be of permanent subscription, so it is an annual fee payable by affiliates after they have held affiliate status for 3 years. So it is £258. Then in some cases there will be reinstatement cost as well. So this fees is charged to be returned to ACCA register. So in case if you are removed due to any case from the ACCA register, then you will be paying a reinstatement fees of £58. Then we'll be discussing about member subscription fees. So for admission to membership, you will be paying £258 on successful admission to membership. Then annual subscription fees, it will be £258 again for an annual fee payable by ACCA members. Then again there is a reinstatement fees which is same of £58. So if your name as a member has been removed from the ACCA register. So this was all about the total fees which is paid to ACCA. So I can't give you the total estimate because there are different scenarios for each and every student. Each and every student will be getting some exemptions, some won't be getting any exemptions. So they have to total it upon their cases, considering their situation, their circumstances. So I have just tried to collect all the costs at one place, and it will provide you a very clear and crisp understanding that whether you can pursue with this particular cost structure or not. So I will be uploading some more videos for the ACCA subjects, ACCA general questions, ACCA queries. So feel free to write me in the comment section and I will be answering your queries. So thank you for listening to the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. So thank you. Goodbye.